ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Sembut Menteri Rangba jong ke Sorkar Jela Prestone Tensong, balongru unang yalam jong ke Sengsan Pertai National People's Party, ulakam, bakane ke parti kandang yo bat biang sementa ke kenti, ya ulakam Synshar, Hadien baka Sorkar Jela, kala penbena ban penlong no ya ke Elekshon MDC, Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor uba Prestone Tensong, ula ongru ba ke parti NPP kam dapan sengap than yiki jingkeno bamsab deka Sengsan Pertai Bharatiya Janata Party.
No, allocation is allocation. We don't pay so much heat on the allocation, because if you talk about the mismanagement financially done, the alleged done by the exit committee, not necessarily only during our term, not necessarily only during the MDA government, but if you go back, that's why in that inquiry where we already constituted, let them go deep, the entire alleged misappropriation of funds of the district council. We told them go back 10 years before, right from 10 years up to the year 2021. You find out what is there, how they manage, how they did, and now, as I said to you, the Directorate of Treasury Accounts, they are on the job to verify and also to find out the truth, whether misutilization, misappropriation, or the allocation we have seen, they said diversion. So let us see, and we are waiting for the report. Even if you asked for the inquiry is what? You sending just one officer, like maybe IAS or MCS senior officer. But this time we said no, it should be from Directorate of Accounts, who deals directly with the financial management, not only for the state, but for the entire government or public undertaking or even the district council. So they are the best people to give us all the detailed reports on this issue. That's why, as I said to you, that itself stands that we are really serious about the inquiry report. I don't think we will have any kind of what you said, anti-incumbency. See, we have just taken over. I think just not even 3 years now. So I am sure people are still behind us. I think they still have faith on the NPP party, and I'm also sure that we will be able to cross the magic number in the Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council.